In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label emails in Gmail automatically. If your inbox feels chaotic, labels and filters can organize it instantly. Labels in Gmail act like folders you can color code and browse, and filters are the rules that tell Gmail what to do with incoming messages. Today, we'll set up a simple filter so emails that match your criteria are labeled the moment they arrive. No manual sorting needed. Start by opening Gmail. At the very top, you'll see the search bar. On the right side of that bar is the search options icon. Go ahead and click it. This opens a panel with several fields you can use to describe the emails you want to catch. These fields are your conditions, the if this happens part of your rule. You can target messages by who they're from, who they're sent to, what's in the subject, or use the has the words field to look for specific text inside the email. Let's use a clear example. Suppose you want every email that contains the word Google to land under your Google label. In the panel, find the field called Has the Words and type Google there. Don't worry about capitalization. Gmail ignores case. If you want to match a phrase exactly, you can type it in quotes, but for our example, a single word works great and will catch it in the subject or body. Now, click Create Filter at the bottom of that panel. You'll be taken to a screen with several checkboxes. These are the actions Gmail can take when a message matches your conditions. Find, apply the label, and click it. A drop-down will appear. Choose the label you want these emails to use. In this example, select your Google label. This tells Gmail to attach that label automatically every time an email meets your condition. To finish, click Create Filter. That's it. From now on, any incoming email that contains the word Google will show up with your chosen label attached, ready to find in the label list on the left side of Gmail. A quick tip as you set conditions: use words that uniquely describe the emails you want, so you don't accidentally label unrelated messages. Broad terms catch more messages, while specific phrases keep things tight and accurate. If you ever find too many emails getting labeled, refine the condition by adjusting the words you're using. You've just created a simple, time-saving system. With a few thoughtful conditions and the apply the label action, your inbox stays organized without any extra clicks.